If you own a Black & Decker portable air conditioner, understanding how it handles water is essential for smooth operation and preventing leaks. As your unit cools humid air, it pulls moisture out, and that water must be drained correctly to avoid shutdowns, odors, or damage. Black & Decker portable ACs use three drainage systems. First is self-evaporating mode, where most moisture is vented out through the exhaust hose, meaning little to no draining under normal conditions. Second is manual drainage, where water collects in an internal tank and must be released through a bottom drain plug when full. Third is continuous drainage, which uses a hose to remove water nonstop, ideal for high humidity areas. Always unplug the unit before draining. For manual draining, place a shallow pan under the rear drain plug, remove the plug, let all water flow out, gently tilt the unit, then reinstall the plug securely. For continuous drainage, attach a hose to the designated drain port and run it downward into a drain or bucket so gravity can do the work. End of season draining prevents mold. Run fan only mode for a few hours, fully drain the unit, clean the filter, and store it dry. Proper drainage maintenance keeps your Black & Decker AC efficient, odor-free, and long-lasting.